has been founded in 1955 here in Chaux-de-Fonds by Mr. René Banvart and his uncle, Mr. Gaston Ries. Immediately, Corum has brought on the world watch industry something different, some very exclusive and different models, different watches. And this has always been the motto of the brand, to be very exclusive and special. Since 1980, Corum is producing and selling golden ridge watches, and golden ridge is definitely a piece which is unique and very exclusive. This is only Corum who has the privilege to produce and to deliver this model on the market. We continue to work and develop the cases, different shapes, but we also work on the various execution in the movement. We have a mechanical movement, an automatic, and a tourbillon movement. This is definitely something we can develop in the future, which will be always the basic, very solid, strong model for the brand.
Alors donc moi, à la base, je reçois un kit d'emboîtage avec boîte, le mouvement Golden Bridge, les aiguilles à côté et tout ce qui est bride et vis de bride. Donc du coup à la base, je reçois mon mouvement, je le contrôle pour voir si le réglage est bon. Suivant, soit je fais une retouche pour régler la marge du mouvement. Si c'est tout bon, donc je mets les aiguilles. Ensuite, je prends ma boîte, je fais un nettoyage complet qui prend beaucoup de temps quand même parce que sur ces montres c'est assez compliqué. Au niveau des deux glaces latérales et vitres avant-arrière, il y a beaucoup de travail au niveau du nettoyage. Ensuite, je mets mon mouvement dans la boîte, je visse les brides et après je prends ma tige de remontoir, je mets ma tige à longueur et j'emboîte ma tige, je mets ma tige couronne. Ensuite, je vérifie toutes les petites poussières qu'il n'y en ait plus une. Je mets le fond, je ferme. Après, ça passe au contrôle qualité là-bas et c'est tout bon après.
So Bubble has been introduced in the Corum collection in year 2000, and immediately it was a very strong success and there was a lot of buzz. I think unfortunately we made too many models, and after 5 or 6 years the demand has been slower and slower and we had to stop the production. But many markets were still remembering this model and were asking to come back, if we can say like that. So after many years of hesitation, we just decided in 2014 to launch only 3 new models with the same design, but the finish with a more watchmaking content, automatic movement, and very well finished. And it was immediately a success. This is why in 2015 and now in 2016, we relaunched more and more pieces with a very selective design, limited edition, 88 pieces. And this is definitely a pillar, we can say a pillar in the collection of Corum now. Corum is a niche brand and we have a small production. We are always open to the market. We are always ready to customize some models in order to please, in a way, the customers who trust the brand. And this is definitely the philosophy, to be very close to the market.